So I want to show you this quick eye makeup tutorial to make brown eyes pop. I have pretty dark eyes, except like in the sun then they look really light, but besides that they look pretty dark. So if we can enhance our brown eyes, why not? And I will be doing this makeup look using purples, but you can also use blues, make brown eyes pop a lot, dark colors like a smoky eye, plums, but for today's video I will just show you with purple. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Alright, so first I'm just gonna prime the lids. You can use any eye primer. I will list everything I'm using down below, but this is the Anastasia eye primer. I'm just gonna dot some on my eyes to make the color pop even more. I'm just gonna use any palette that I have that has some purples. We're gonna use these shades from here. So the first thing you're gonna do is quickly just set the whole lid. I'm gonna take a nice matte color to set the whole lid. I'm gonna do it like a smoky eye effect, like darker in the outer corner and lighter when you get to the inner corner, just so your eye looks more open. But if you just want to use one color all over the lid, that's gonna work fine too. Take this darker shade here, using a MAC 224 brush. It's gonna start tapping that right here in the outer corner. Close your eye if you want. And I'm just like doing circular motions there to really pack that color there. If you have hooded eyes like me, you want to work this color higher, because if we just leave it like that, you can barely see. It's gonna blend this higher. Okay, you just want to keep checking that you look straight to a mirror, and as long as when you open your eyes you can see it, then you're good. And also I'm just gonna do one eye first so you can see the difference. Just going back and forth, and then also in circular motions. Just gonna put a lighter purple on the area that is still blank. I'm gonna take this shade right here, which it looks like a beautiful lilac, using this Mott pigment packer brush. Just gonna apply that. Really easy. It's all about what colors you use. Just want to make sure the darkness is still there, so I'm just gonna tap some more of that dark shade and just blend it. Before we move on to the waterline, let's just go ahead and put some nice highlight in that inner tear dot. This is all gonna help your eye look bigger so you can really see your beautiful brown eyes. So I'm just gonna place that right there in the inner tear dot. And this is the Revlon Skin Lights Daybreak Glimmer. I'm just gonna put some liner, Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner. And you want to stick to like black, or like I said, like plum, cranberry colors, dark blue. That's really gonna help. Now you can keep your liner as you like. I'm gonna do a small wing. What you also want to do, line your waterline part is what makes the biggest difference. Every time that I put liner on my waterline, my eyes instantly looked lighter. And you want to make sure you set this too, because on your waterline it's very hard for it to stay without smudging. You can make it thinner, thicker, but we're not leaving it like this. We're gonna set it in place. Right now it looks really harsh because we haven't set it or blended out. You want to take your dark purple shadow or a black shadow, and you want to tap that in like a liner brush. Just set this, and at the same time that you're setting it, you're blending it, and you're gonna see that that liner is not gonna move. And this is just an example of the techniques, but you don't have to do it exactly like this. And I put the liner lower, but you can just put it directly like inside the waterline, and it's gonna look like very thin, very small. Like if you want to do it in the daytime and you think this is a bit much, like you can just put a little, but this is like the part that really makes the difference. You want to apply mascara, preferably black. I'm just gonna curl the lashes. Could either just apply the mascara alone, or you can apply some falsies, whatever you're comfortable with, as long as you're opening up the eye. I'm curling it because my lashes can hold a curl on its own no matter what mascara. So that's why this step is crucial for me. Your eye looks really tiny and closed up, then there's no point in doing this. I'm going to apply the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Also want to apply it to the bottom lash. Alright, so this is how it would look if you don't wear lashes. And trust me, when the light hits you, it's just going to bounce off. Just finish this eye before we apply lashes. So I just want to mention something real quick. As you can see, these two in the waterline, oh my god, I have liner everywhere. They look a bit different and I just want to explain. So this one, you saw that I applied the liner just directly, like looking into like the mirror and just placing it like that. That might make you apply the liner a bit lower, as you can see. This one, what I did was I just held the waterline down and I applied it directly like this while holding it down, and that's just gonna make it apply just in that waterline without going any further down. I did set it as well, but just so you can see the difference, this one looks a bit more just like, I guess, polished, and this one like a bit more smoky in the waterline. So just so you know, the different application will make a difference. But this is how it's looking. I already can see a huge difference. Obviously, if you go into the sunlight, it's gonna be even more. You could apply just one color if you don't want to make it smoky. Try with different colors and see which one you're more comfortable. If you don't like purple or the blues or maybe like green as well, then just try like the smoky eye. You're really able to tell, but once you're speaking to someone, you're just gonna look into your eyes and like be wowed, because you're just gonna like blow them away. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.